Alright, I saw that there was a few problems that you might need some extra help on in your homework, so we're going to try to address those here. Again, we're going to use the rules for mad spam. We're going to use the m. We're going to multiply. If we multiply bases, we're going to add exponents. That's what we're doing. We're doing multiplication. I'm looking at number 1. I have 3d to the negative 4 times 5d to the 8th. Alright, so now we have two numbers. They're different numbers. We're just going to multiply those together. And so we have 3 times 5 is 15. Now my bases are, my base is the d. My d is the same base. What do I do with those numbers? I'm going to add them together. We'll have a negative 4 and a positive 8. You need to remember your rules of integers. So if you're adding different signs, you subtract first and keep the sign of the bigger number. So 8 minus 4 is 4, and it's going to be a positive 4. Okay, so there's my answer for the first one. Okay, the next one, I've got a fraction here. I'm going to go ahead and keep my 1 at the top of my fraction. Okay, so now at the bottom I have my base of b. I'm going to go ahead and add the exponents. So I have a negative 7, a positive 5. So again, subtract first. 7 minus 5 is 2, and it's going to be negative 2. Okay, but we're going to go back to our negative exponent rules. We never want to have a negative at the bottom of our fraction, so we are going to bring it to the top of the fraction, and it's going to be b to the second power. And then 1 times b to the second power is just b to the second power. And that's your final answer. Okay, and then the last problem, we have our same base. Our same base is over here. Our same base is m. I'm going to add my exponents. So positive 12, negative 14. 14 minus 12 is 2, and it's going to be a negative 2. But again, going back to negative exponents, we never want to have a negative exponent, so we're going to go ahead and follow that rule by bringing this down to the bottom of a fraction, making it positive, but remembering we need to put a placeholder of 1 there. So we have 1 over m to the second. So that's my final answer for number 3. Okay, hopefully this helps.